Stop playing with them, Riot. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like,
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Zlike Hair. Yeah, big shout out to Zlike Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So I know you see it. 30-inch frontal HD lace 13x4. Stop playing with it. Stop. So today, we are going to be installing this wig. You already know how hype I get when they send the inches, because a lot of these companies don't be trying to come up off the inches. And when you send me these inches, you're going to get the best review ever. Let me stop. So this is an HD lace wig. This HD lace, look, scalp, skin is giving clear. This HD lace was really good quality, which I was surprised because I was not expecting the lace to be that good. Yeah. Okay, so I have this in the 13x4 30-inch lace frontal, but they offer this in a pre-cut frontal, which if you are not good at cutting the lace on your frontals, I would suggest you getting the pre-cut. You still will have to trim a little off the pre-cut, but it saves you the time and you don't have to stress so much about ruining your lace if you're not good at cutting your lace. So as you can see, we use the ORS, which has been my go-to, and that's what we use to apply this wig. And I am just going to lay this down and then use the melt band to push the lace into the skin. When I tell you that this install came out so good. I did bleach the knots and I tweezed this hairline. I didn't want to go crazy. I try not to go crazy with the tweezers because there's nothing worse than when you over pluck a wig. So I really didn't want to over tweeze this wig. So now that I'm looking at it, I could have tweezed a little bit more. The front of the wig is a little dense because it does come very full. But when I tell you, can we get into the inches? Now we got to get into the inches. So they said that this wig was 30 inches. But when I tell you, I feel like it was 32, 34. Because I'm tall. Well, taller. I'm 5'7". And I have a wig currently that is 32 inches long. And I feel like it's not as long as this wig. I did try to stand up in this video a little bit so you guys could see how it fell on me, and it's really long. Like, this hair goes past my butt. Like, so I don't know what's going on over there in the warehouse, but keep it up because this is what we like. This is what the girls like. Okay, Zlike, we like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow out the hair because this was a lot of hair. This is 180 density, but it was pretty full, so I had to blow out the wefts because the wefts were still a little damp. Once I blow out the wefts, I'm gonna go ahead and press the hair out, show you what the hair looks like bone straight. But to be honest, my favorite look has to be the finished look because I decided to use a wand curl and throw some waves in here, and when I tell you, that is about to be my go-to. And I might have to do that for my birthday. Those inches with waves. Oh, I also wanted to mention that this wig is definitely big head friendly because I had a little bit of room in the back of the cap, which I'm not mad about at all. So it is big head friendly because I know a lot of people ask like if it'll fit because they have like a larger head or they got a lot of hair. This is definitely that. It will fit. So I hope I covered everything. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, definitely drop that down below. I'm going to give another big shout out to Zlike Hair for sponsoring this video and sending over this bomb wig. Big shout out to y'all for watching another hair video. Don't forget to like, drop a heart in the comments if you here for the inches, okay? And I will see you beauties in the next video.
if he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. If you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 60 clip block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Said I fuck you, gon' kill my vibe. Stay on my